Hello everyone and welcome. Today we are going to explore something quite exciting. It is a pattern of eating called alternate day fasting, or ADF. This guide is designed to help you understand it clearly. So what exactly is alternate day fasting? It is a special and distinct way of approaching your meals. It is not what you might think of as a typical diet. Instead, it is more like a rhythm, a tempo for your body. This rhythm closely mimics how our ancestors likely ate. They certainly did not have food available constantly all day long. Their bodies were adapted to periods of eating and periods without. This pattern is something our bodies might naturally understand. ADF can help your body rediscover a more natural cycle. This cycle involves periods of eating well and then, crucially, periods of digestive rest. This period of rest is exceptionally important for our well-being. Let's dive in and uncover the details of ADF. Alternate day fasting has a wonderfully simple core principle. You eat your meals as you normally would on one day, then on the very next day you fast. It really is an alternating pattern of eating and resting. One day is a feast day where you enjoy your food. The following day is a fast day for digestive rest. This pattern then repeats throughout the week. On your designated feast days, you generally eat normally. You should aim to enjoy a variety of healthy meals. There is usually no need to restrict your calorie intake severely. This freedom on feast days can feel much more liberating. Many individuals find this approach far more sustainable long-term. Then, of course, come the fast days. On these particular days, you provide your digestive system with a rest. This is truly when some of the magic can begin to happen. Your body gets a well-deserved break from constant food processing. This break from digestion is remarkably powerful for your system. It triggers a cascade of beneficial processes within your body. This rhythm is the fundamental key to ADF's effectiveness. Sometimes when people hear the word fasting, they immediately think of starvation. This is a very common and significant misunderstanding. It is important to be clear. ADF is not starvation. It is not even remotely close to it. In fact, ADF is a carefully planned and structured approach to eating. It is controlled, deliberate, and importantly, it is temporary. The fasting periods are for specific, limited durations. Starvation is a genuinely harmful state for the body. It implies a prolonged and dangerous lack of essential nutrients. ADF, however, is designed very differently from this. Your feast days are specifically there to provide all your nutrients. You nourish your body thoroughly and well on these days. Then you consciously give your system a period of rest. This rest, as we are learning, is highly beneficial. It is a strategic pause, not a state of deprivation. Alternate day fasting is a structured and researched method. It has been the subject of numerous scientific studies. A growing body of research highlights its potential benefits. It is about working with your body, not against it. Let us try to imagine a typical week following an ADF schedule. You will find that it is surprisingly easy to follow. Monday, for example, could be designated as a feast day. On this day, you would eat your usual healthy meals. Enjoy your food and try not to overthink it too much. The aim is to eat sensibly and provide good nutrition. There is no need for complicated calorie calculations on feast days. Just focus on wholesome, nourishing foods. Tuesday would then naturally become your fast day. On this particular day, you consume very few calories. Some people opt for 0 calories, as we will discuss. This gives your digestive system a complete rest. Then Wednesday arrives, and it is a feast day once more. You can eat normally again, often feeling quite refreshed. This cycle continues throughout the week. With consistency, this pattern soon becomes a comfortable routine. ADF can often fit quite smoothly into a busy life. On your designated fast days, you actually have a few choices. Some individuals prefer to undertake a 0-calorie fast. This typically means consuming only water during the fast, or perhaps unsweetened black coffee or tea. The key here is absolutely no calories at all. This is often considered the strictest form of ADF. For some, it can be remarkably effective and straightforward. No food decisions need to be made on these days. However, others find a modified fast more suitable. This approach involves eating a small number of calories. Usually this is around 500 calories for the entire day. This small intake can make the fast days feel easier. This is especially true when you're just starting with ADF. It can be a good way to ease into the fasting process. Importantly, this modified approach is still very beneficial. Research shows it works well for many health goals. The main goal is to keep the overall calorie count low, and it is very important to avoid sugary or processed foods. Ultimately, the best choice of fast day approach depends on you. Find out what style of fast day works best for you. Why is alternate day fasting often so effective for people? Modern science is beginning to provide us with some clear answers. When you engage in fasting, even for a day, your body changes. It fundamentally shifts the way it operates internally. These physiological changes are largely very good for your health, and they are excellent for sustainable weight management. One of the most significant changes occurs in your hormones. In particular, your levels of insulin drop quite significantly. This reduction in insulin is extremely important for several reasons. Low insulin levels send a clear signal to your body. This signal helps your body to begin burning stored fat. Instead of relying on readily available glucose from food, fat effectively becomes your primary fuel source during the fast. This is, of course, absolutely key for achieving weight loss. Your cells also get a chance for a thorough spring clean. There is a remarkable process known as autophagy. During autophagy, old and damaged cell parts are cleared out. They are broken down and recycled by the cell. Fasting is a powerful way to stimulate autophagy. It's quite remarkable when you think about it, isn't it? Let's delve a little deeper into this process of autophagy. The word itself might sound rather complicated, I admit, but the underlying idea is actually quite simple to grasp. Auto is derived from Greek and means self, and phage, also from Greek, means to eat. So autophagy literally means self-eating at a cellular level. Your cells effectively clean themselves out from the inside. During periods of fasting, such as on ADF fast days, autophagy ramps up. Your body begins to efficiently break down old cellular components. Misfolded proteins, which can cause problems, get cleared away. Damaged organelles within the cells are also recycled. This vital process helps to prevent a buildup of cellular junk. It keeps your cells feeling younger and working properly. It is very much like an internal recycling and renewal system. This contributes to longevity and disease prevention. Now let us revisit the topic of insulin in more detail. Insulin is a hormone that helps your body use sugar from food. It transports glucose from your bloodstream into your cells for energy. However, constantly high levels of insulin are not good for us. Alternate day fasting can be a powerful tool to reset your insulin sensitivity. Alternate day fasting offers other fantastic benefits for your body. One of these is a notable increase in human growth hormone, or HGH. This hormone plays a crucial role in building and repairing tissues. This includes helping to build and maintain lean muscle mass. It also plays a part in how your body metabolizes fat, so having more growth hormone circulating is generally a good thing. Studies have shown that fasting can naturally boost HGH levels. Many people understandably worry about losing precious muscle mass. This is a common concern when considering any form of fasting. However, ADF, when done correctly, can help preserve muscle. The boost in growth hormone that we just discussed helps with this. Also, ensuring you eat enough protein on your feast days is key. This provides the building blocks your muscles need to stay strong. Inflammation is another critically important area for our health. Short-term inflammation is a normal part of healing, but chronic low-grade inflammation is detrimental to long-term health. Excitingly, ADF has been shown to help reduce markers of inflammation. When inflammation is lower, your body simply feels better, and it functions more optimally too. So let us take a moment to recap alternate day fasting. In essence, it means eating your normal meals one day and then fasting, or eating very little on the next day. This simple alternating rhythm is the heart of ADF. It is a pattern that can bring about big positive changes. Changes for your weight if that is a goal, and significant changes for your overall health and vitality. It is indeed a potentially powerful tool for well-being. We have seen clearly that ADF is not about starvation. It is a well-planned and structured way of approaching your eating. It allows you to eat well and enjoy your food. This happens on your designated feast days without undue restriction. Then it gives your body a dedicated period of rest, a crucial time to repair, reset, and rejuvenate itself. The benefits we have discussed are truly quite impressive. From enhanced fat burning and the cellular cleanup of autophagy to improved insulin sensitivity and better blood sugar control. Alternate day fasting offers a unique and compelling approach. Perhaps now is a good time for you to explore it further.